Hooked up, got a beast on. Jeez. Oh, look at that guy. Yeah. Oh, look at that guy. Oh, he's in the reef. Oh. Oh.
He went to the ground.
We're on. Good hit. Bit of a string puller, is it? It'll be interesting to see what it is. Been catching a few eels around the place, so hoping it's not an eel. That's what we came fishing for.
On the flasher, bro.
Oh yeah, that's a nice snapper.
After casting our line out just before sunset and waiting 50 minutes, this happened.
Right, now we're hooked up again.
Oh, yeah. It's fighting like
a big run.
It's fighting exactly like a snapper. Oh, yeah.
Right, it's a snapper, it's a good one, eh?
Yeah, I reckon it's a snapper.
Just caught a nice snapper before. Got estimated probably 3.5 kilos, 7 or 8 pounds, so bloody beauty. It's just stuck in the rocks out there, so we got him in.
It's almost in.
I wonder what it is. It's not swimming to the left or right much, so it might be a snapper, eh? Oh, I reckon it's a snapper, eh?
Yeah.
Oh no. Yeah. Boys are hooked up. You the boys.
Oh.
Hey, look at that go. Might be a beauty, eh?
Let's hope so. Yeah, it's getting close to the rocks, eh?
What is it there? It is there. Snapper. It's a snapper.
Is it?
Yep.
Let's go, bro.
Let's go.
That's my PB by far.
That's definitely my PB. Holy moly. Only 350, 380 metres. Look at that.
Look at the size of the tail.
Look at that. Big snapper.
Oh my goodness.
What do we have to say about that, boys?
That's teamwork.
Yeah.
That's right. Cow, that's heavy, man. That's double my.
Look at it.
Yeah, boy. Yeah. Oh, look at that.
It's a beast, bro. Jesus, night fishing at its best, eh? Yeah, we're going to keep it. Just sort of the maximum of our...
Oh, kayak here. Yep, go for it. They're pretty much nailed in the wind.
Yeah.
Let's go, right?
Ross's PB.
Gearing up your gills.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, look at the size of it.
That's a photo-worthy one, that one. Gee.
Casting out the little grill.
Go on the right just a bit. Yeah. Go a bit faster if you want. Yeah, that's good out there. Interesting to see how this knot goes through. Alright, just slow down when you get to 650. Better now. 600. Oh, there we go. Released. Hit that knot.
Down about 600, so
That's alright. $600 meters of the electric reel. We're out there. Come out yesterday, last night we slayed it. Come out so we can get a few gurnard, top it off. Had good conditions, so we're making the most of it. Tide's coming in, so we're going to have to move around that cliff over there. Probably the next 15 minutes, otherwise we'll get stuck. Alright, winding it in. Daiwa Tanacom on the Tika Traveller 4-piece from Paul's Fishing Systems. If you want good quality gear, go hit them up. Get them online on Fishing Tackle Sale, or go see them in store. Get yourself one of these. Makes winding in easy. Probably see it coming in soon, not long to go, about 80 metres. Yep. Coming in over there.
Well, what a night it was. Catching big snapper on the west coast. What more could you ask for? Make sure you like and subscribe to catch up with all our videos.